Hey guys! Are you want to buy best cargo boxes? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best cargo boxes that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at SportRack Vista XL Rear Opening Cargo Box. The SportRack Horizon Cargo Box offers a generous 18 cubic feet, 510 L, of internal storage, perfect for road trips or extra gear. Built with durable, UV-resistant ABS material, it stands up well to the elements while maintaining a sleek look. The rear opening design makes it easy to access your belongings safely, away from traffic. Installation is a breeze thanks to its tool-free mounting hardware, and it fits a wide range of racks including SportRack systems, square, round, and most factory racks, fit guide recommended. It includes a lock and key system for securing both your items and the box itself. With dimensions of 63 by 38 by 19 inches, the SportRack Horizon balances spaciousness with aerodynamic design. Ideal for travelers who need extra space without hassle, this cargo box is a solid and practical rooftop solution. Now our second product is JEGS Rooftop Cargo Carrier. The JEGS Rooftop Cargo Carrier delivers secure, weatherproof storage with an 18 cubic foot capacity, ideal for road trips and outdoor adventures. Made from durable HDPE plastic, it features an aerodynamic design that improves fuel efficiency while protecting your gear. Interior dimensions of 57-inch L x 38.5 W x 17.75 H provide ample room, enough to hold up to 5 golf bags when stacked. A 4-corner locking system, front latch, and weather-tight seal ensure your cargo stays dry and safe. Loading is easy from either side of the vehicle, making packing and unpacking a breeze. Installation is tool-free with all mounting hardware included, and the pre-drilled base accommodates 24-inch crossbar spacing. If needed, it can be re-drilled to fit bars from 20-inch to 30. Made in the USA and backed by a limited lifetime guarantee, the JEGS carrier offers peace of mind with reliable, high-quality performance. Our third product is MCBD Rooftop Cargo Carrier. The MCBD 21 cubic feet rooftop cargo carrier is a spacious and reliable storage solution, perfect for families of 5 to 6 on the go. Made from durable 900D PVC fabric, it offers a large 51-inch by 41-inch by 17-inch capacity to free up interior space for a more comfortable trip. The carrier is fully waterproof, with heat-welded seams, a reinforced waterproof zipper, and wide Velcro flaps, ensuring gear stays dry in all weather. Safety is a priority, with 3 reinforced adjustable straps, a bonus combination lock, and reflective zipper flaps for night visibility. Its smart design eliminates strap flapping with Velcro wraps and adds peace of mind during travel. It fits all vehicles, whether you have a roof rack or not, thanks to an included anti-slip mat and 6 protective door hooks. The complete package also includes a storage bag and luggage lock, making this an excellent, all-in-one travel companion. Now number 4, DNA Motoring Rooftop Cargo Box Carrier. This 11 cubic foot rooftop cargo carrier is a durable, space-saving solution designed for vehicles with crossbars. With a robust ABS construction, it withstands impact in harsh weather, protecting your belongings during any journey. The carrier offers up to 110 pounds of load capacity and opens up to 14-inch wide, making it ideal for bulky gear. Its aerodynamic, textured black finish adds both style and fuel efficiency. The integrated locking system ensures cargo security, with a key and lock for added protection and proper lid alignment. Side opening access makes loading and unloading convenient, and the lid stays open until you're ready to close it. Installation is tool-free and quick, making it great for travelers who need extra storage without compromising passenger comfort. Overall dimensions are 53-inch L x 34 W x 15H, offering reliable storage for weekend trips, camping gear, or sports equipment. A practical and affordable rooftop cargo solution. And our last choice is Fivklemnz 21 cubic car rooftop cargo carrier. The Fivklemnz 21 cubic feet rooftop cargo bag is a spacious and secure travel solution, perfect for families or adventure seekers. Measuring 52 inches by 40 inches by 18 inches, it holds 6 to 8 suitcases or camping gear, freeing up space inside your vehicle for a more comfortable ride. Built from durable 700D Oxford cloth with a genuine waterproof zipper and double flaps, this carrier is 100% waterproof, even in extreme weather. Heat-welded seams further enhance its water resistance. Safety is a top priority, featuring 10 reinforced adjustable straps and a free anti-slip mat that keeps the bag firmly in place on high-speed or bumpy roads. A bonus security lock protects your belongings from theft. The bag fits all cars, trucks, and SUVs, and can be easily installed with the included 6-door hooks, even without roof side rails. This cargo carrier offers a reliable and hassle-free way to expand your vehicle's storage. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.